awesome viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I am going to share my lamb and white rice recipe, Jamaican style, with you guys. Let's get started. This is my lamb. It's already washed and everything, just ready for seasoning. I want to show you guys from start to scratch. It's best to leave it to marinate, but I have to show you guys what I'm doing. So I'm going to use all-purpose seasoning. This season you can use it in any dishes what you make. And I'm going to use half of that. I'm going to use some ground turmeric. I'm just going to use like a bit of that. And lamb season is a must because this is a lamb dish what I'm making. So lamb season. I'm going to use that amount. I'm also using garlic granules. Use that amount. Onion granules. Jerk season, just a little bit. And curry powder. So I'm using 2 of these. I'm also using a bit of black pepper. I'm going to give my hands a good wash and then I'm going to show you how to season your lamb. Okay, so my hands are clean and I'm gonna start seasoning. But before I started doing that, I'm also gonna add just a little bit of vegetable, a bit of sunflower oil, just a little bit. Because I did not put my lamb to marinate, I've just used a little bit of oil to blend in all my ingredients. And I'm now ready for I'm also going to add this, I've got some white onions, I've got some spring onions, I've got some potato pieces. I'm going to add this to it later, not straight away. And here I've got some garlic, thyme, and I've got some ginger right here with me. I'm just gonna put a bit of the white onion in. Spring onion in. Thyme. I also had a piece of hot Scotch bonnet pepper. This pepper is very fiery, so I'm only using a small piece. So I'm gonna put it straight in. And I'm gonna rub all these in. It's looking good and it smells very good. I've just put my pan on and I'm pouring a bit of sunflower oil in. Not a lot, just a bit. I'm going to leave this oil to hot. Once the oil is hot, I am going to reduce my heat and then I'll put my meat straight in. My oil is now hot, so I am just reducing my heat, or if you like to say, I am turning my heat down. So what I'm going to do, I am going to add a bit of curry to my oil. And then I'm going to add all these leftover to my give it a stir to burn off my curry. Once my curry is burned off, I am going to add my meat. So my curry is now burned off, so I'm going to put all my meat straight into my pot. This is smell lovely. Over here, I've got some white rice to go with my curry dish. This white rice is very easy and simple to prepare. All I do is I use 1 large cup of rice. I've washed my rice 3 times, drain my rice, add enough water to cover my rice, add a pinch of salt to my rice, give it a stir, leave it to boil. Once it started boiling, I reduce my heat and leave it to slowly cook. Next time I'll show you from scratch. I am going to cover my pan and leave it to simmer for a while, and then I'm going to add some boiling water. So when I return, I will show you what I'm going to do next. Oh, guys, have a look at this. This is looking really, really delicious. So this is some boiling water, and I'm just going to pour some water in it. Not a lot of water, because we don't want to kill the flavor. So that water is enough. Just enough water to get it going. And then I'm going to just leave it to slowly cook until when it is really tender. Wow, that is looking really, really good. Absolutely good, guys. So I'm just going to leave it to cook until when the meat is tender. Guys, it's all looking good. Looking very, very good. The meat is getting tender and everything. Very tender. So I'm just going to add my potato. Looking really, really good. Wow, it's getting tender. And it smells really good. Guys, my curry lamb is all finished cooked. It's looking really delicious and it smells very lovely. And I am going to do some now, serve some over white rice. And have a taste. Guys, if you like my curry lamb and rice, please give it a thumbs up, like and share, subscribe to my channel. A friend tell a friend. Enjoy your curry lamb and rice. See you soon in my next video with a lot more recipes. Thanks, guys. Love you guys. Bye.